Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install the Brendan Ingram Pro Audio scripts or the Linux audio scripts on Fedora. So we have installed the Fedora 39 and we have gone to this website. We open the website here. This is the GitHub page of Brendan Ingram, and from this Linux audio scripts you have to click on this code button, and at the bottom you can download the zip, or if you want you can sync with this git repo. So this script will be downloaded to your system, so that is also possible. You can use it from the command line, or you can directly download it from the https link given here, or you can download the zip. So what I have done is I have downloaded the zip, and the zip was downloaded here in the downloads folder. Then I went and extracted the zip to the document folder. So here you can see the scripts for Arch, Debian, Fedora, Manjaro, Mint, Neon, Ubuntu and Zorin OS are available. So in this video we are going to see how to install the script on Fedora. So I opened the Fedora. Then there are scripts for version 35, 36, 37 and 38. 39 is not available, but we can safely install the 38 script on 39 if on checking the script it is found that it is compatible with Fedora 39. I think the script is compatible with Fedora 39, so we are going to install it. So just let us take a look at the installation script for the Brendan Ingram Pro Audio. So here you can see there are certain lines in this code that are commented out. So this code will not you can say execute. So jack configuration code will not execute. Pipewire and jack configuration compatibility also will not execute. Only what exactly will happen is it will directly first update the system using the sudo dnf update. After that the limits.d, that is the limits configuration, will be updated for the audio, and the audio priority will be kept at 90, and the memory lock configuration for audio will now become unlimited. So in standard configuration it is limited, and this all the configuration is written to the audio configuration file in the limits.d folder. Further, the system control configuration is also going to change. You can see it here. The user watches will be now be edited or modified to 60,000, and the system control configuration file is going to get updated. Further, the user will be added to the audio group. Then the Reaper will be installed. So Reaper is a digital audio workstation that is going to get installed. Then Wine and Yaw Bridge will be installed. You can see here. During the Wine and Yaw Bridge installation, first the real-time setup will be installed. So there is a group of packages called real-time setup in Fedora. Those will be first installed. Then the real-time setup will be enabled. Then the real-time end task, this is the task service that will be enabled, and the user will be added to the real-time group. The DNF copper repository will be enabled, and the wine mono, wine gecko, this VK D3D, then the wine DXVK, wine tricks and Yaw Bridge will be installed from the copper repositories. Further, after the installation is complete, the system or the terminal will give us output that Wine and Yaw Bridge are installed. You can see it here. So it will give us a confirmation that this audio, Wine and Yaw Bridge are installed. After that, the Wine Tricks will be installed. The core font from the Wine Tricks website will also be downloaded and installed. Directories for the VST plugins, VST2 and VST3 plugins will be done in the Wine folder. So Wine folder, C drive, program files, Steinberg and common files. These three VST folders will be created, and the Yaw Bridge control will get added. So the path to this VST plugins will be added to the Yaw Bridge control, and that's it. And finally the Yaw Bridge will get synced. So the status of the bridge will be current, and that's it. After this, you have to just reboot. So now what we are going to do is we are going to close this shell or script file or shell file, and then we have to execute this. So you have to open a terminal here in this same folder. Then you have to write change mode space plus X. Okay. Okay, change mode is not found. Okay, install that sh. Install, okay. Install dash audio data sh. Yes. So here you can see it can directly execute without the change mode instruction. So for that you have to use direct command dot forward slash install dash audio install dash audio dot sh. So directly you have to put the name of the script file, and then you have to input the password later, because in Debian and some other Debian based distributions we have to use change mode. So here change mode is not required. So now you can see the copper repo is getting added. So while this is going, we have to make sure that the script file is not open in edit mode. So now the update is going. So during the first update, this copper repository will be added because it gets enabled during the update. So I had installed the system, done a full system update, and then we started this video to install the Brendan Ingram's audio or pro audio scripts on Fedora 13.9. You have to be patient because this syncing might take some time. Google Chrome repo, then the RPM Fusion repo for the non-free NVIDIA driver. This is the non-free Steam repo. I think they have taken this packages from the this Red Hat. Okay. So now Reaper is getting installed directly from the Reaper website. You can see it here. It is contacting the reaper.fm website, you can see, and downloading the zip file for Reaper. Done. Now the desktop integration for Reaper is getting done. Installation is complete, and if you see, the audio configuration is done. So the 90 priority is given to audio, and the memory lock is now unlimited for audio. The user watch maximum user watches is now 60,000. The user is added to audio group. So you think everything has been done. It's very fast, and now certain dependencies for the real-time setup need to be done. So that also it is going ahead automatically, and the kernel tools will also be installed. So these are strong dependencies, these are weak dependencies. So with for the weak dependencies you can go without them also, but strong dependencies you should install. Weak dependencies means they will add only very less functionality to the main package. So if you don't install that, that is okay for that package. The package application package will work, but the strong dependencies should be always installed. I think you can see it here. Everything is going on perfectly, and I think in 5-10 minutes, not 5-10, just 2 minutes, it will be over. You can see it here. Now only Yobridge installation is pending, and the Yobridge configuration. So now the Wine and Yobridge is getting installed. So I didn't thought, but there are lot many, you can see dependency packages required for the wine and yaw bridge. So those are getting installed now. Some 325 packages are there. Not big, but small packages are there. So in another 2 minutes, this will be downloaded. Installation will take another 2 minutes, and yaw bridge configuration another 2 minutes. So within 4 to 6 minutes, everything will be completed, and we will then stop the video. Wine packages are downloaded along with the dependencies. The JPG keys for all this package repos have been installed, and now final installation will begin for all these packages, and then the installation will complete. Okay, so now we can see all these packages have been installed. So the wine support is there along with the Yabridge support. Now you have to add input your password. Let us wait. What is the next step that is going to happen? I think the Yabridge configuration will be done and then we are ready. Okay, so you can see now the Windtricks configuration and the Yabridge configuration will be done. Okay, so you should update your distributions package manager. So we have to run a sudo dnf space dash dash self dash update. So that we will do. Never miss any step. You have to do all the steps as directed on the terminal. You can see here the wine configuration is getting done. So wine is configured in home SAM. There is a new .wine folder is getting created. Now the core fronts are getting installed. So it will take some time. Sometimes this server is very slow for the core fronts. Then it takes 5-10 minutes for the core fronts to get installed. Okay, so the complete installation is done and we can now stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the installation, how the installation was done, whether the proper configuration is done to the desktop by the Brendan Ingram script, what applications are installed. So all that we will check in the next video. So see you then. Bye.